If you checked the news this morning, you've probably seen the headlines about the Hormuz crisis and the rise in oil prices. Most people are in panic mode right now. Are you checking your portfolio every 10 minutes? But there's a small group of people who aren't panicking. They're not following minimalist rules or counting every single penny. I call them invisible habits. In this video, I want to show you 5 quiet things you can do right now to stay financially stable. These aren't just rules. They're an insurance policy for your peace of mind. We've all watched videos about minimalist money rules. In my opinion, most of them are nonsense. It's 2026. Life is faster, AI is changing our jobs, and the old advice like, just don't buy lattes, feels outdated. Today, stability doesn't mean owning less. It means having a system that works for you even while you sleep. And here's habit number 1. Habit number 1, the 24-hour AI filter. Before buying anything over $100, run it through your AI assistant or a price comparison tool. And wait, most of our instability comes from impulsive purchases made at 3 a.m. Let AI handle the logic so you don't have to rely on willpower. Habit number 2, the chaos buffer, not an emergency fund. Everyone has an emergency fund, but in 2026, you need a chaos buffer. This is 10% of your net worth kept liquid and held in something boring and stable, like short-term treasury bills or even a regulated stablecoin. This is money you only touch when the world feels like it's shaking. Habit number 3, the anti-subscription kill switch. Invisible wealth is lost through $15 monthly subscriptions we forget we even have. Use a tool today to audit your accounts. If you haven't used it in 30 days, cancel it. It's not about the $15. It's about building the habit of protecting your boundaries. Habit number 4, skill stacking as a currency. The most stable asset you own isn't in your brokerage account. It's your ability to pivot. Spend 20 minutes a week learning a new AI-integrated skill in your industry. In 2026, being irreplaceable is the ultimate financial stability. Habit number 5, selective news ignorance. This one is the hardest. Stop checking breaking news every hour. Markets overreact to everything. If your system is set up correctly, you don't need to know what oil did in the last 60 minutes. Stability is a mental game. Look, I know the world feels complicated these days, but financial stability doesn't mean finally having enough money. It's the feeling of knowing you have a system, and the discipline not to be affected by the noise. If you feel overwhelmed by the news this March, take a breath. Start applying just one of these habits today. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. Even a 0.1% improvement every day makes a difference after 365 days. Let's give a very simple example. 10 push-ups a day. If you think it won't affect your life, you're wrong. Everything is discipline. Which of these habits will you start with first? Subscribe, because we're just getting started with growth. Very soon, I'll be back with financial analysis.